Hello friends, my teachers and all my dear audience. Myself Ms. Dipali Turakni, student of BSc second year. In the video seminar competition organized on the occasion of Science Day, I am going to present on the seminar topic amazing and weird plants around the world. When you think of plants, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Beautiful bouquets, delicate fragrant petals. This typical what people think of when they think of plants. ते म्हणतात ना, आईच्या स्वभावाला कोणतीही सीमा नसते आणि तिने तयार केलेल्या विचित्र आणि आश्चर्यकारक वनस्पती आपल्याला बघायला मिळत आहे. We have handpicked 5 plants that will be sure to grab your attention and inspire you. These species don't look like your typical plant, but that's what makes them so interesting. First, Corpus lily, botanical name Amorphophallus titanum, family is Araceae, location Sumatra. It is the largest inflorescence in the world. It is not actually one big flower, but thousand upon thousand of little male and female flowers. Due to its odor, which is like the smell of a rotting corpus or carcass, the Titanorum is characterized as a carrion flower and is also known as the corpus flower or corpus plant. This order is for attracting its pollinator for pollination. It comes from the forest of Sumatra. A mature plant can weigh about 200 pounds. This image for male flowers and female flowers. Second, corpus flower. Botanical name is Rafflesia species. Family Rafflesiaceae. Location is Malaysia, Thailand and Indonesia. It is the world's largest single flower. Rafflesia is a genus of parasitic flowering plants. It contains approximately 28 species. The plant has no stems, leaves or roots. It is a holoparasite of vines. Tetrastigma vines in tropical rainforest, spreading its absorptive organ. The ostium inside the tissue of the vein, the only part of the plant that can be seen outside the host. Vein is the 5-petal flower. The flower look and smell like rotting flesh, hence its local names, which translate to corpus flower or meat flower. The fall odor attracts insects such as flies, which transport pollen from male to female flowers. Most species have separate male and female flowers, but a few have hermaphrodite flower. Third, Olphia. Botanical name Olphia species, family Araceae, location native to Europe, Africa and parts of Asia. These are the world's smallest flowering plant. Olphia is a genus of 9 to 11 species, which include the smallest flowering plant on earth, commonly called watermail or duckweed. They are aquatic in nature. The flower is produced in a depression on the top of surface, the plant body. It has one stamen and one pistil. Wolffia species are composed of about 40% protein on a diameter basis, about the same as the soybean, making them a potential high protein human food source. Fourth, Lithops livingstones. Botanical name Lithops species, family is Ozoaceae, location Southern Africa, commonly known as the livingstone. Some plants use toxins to avoid being eaten. Some use thorns. A lithops survives by pretending to be a rock. Lithops is a genus of succulent plant in the ice plant family. Ozoaceae individual lithops plants consist of one or more pairs of bulbous, almost fused leaves, opposite to each other and hardly any stem. The slide between the leaves contains the meristem and produce flowers and new leaves. The leaves of lithops are mostly buried below the surface of the soil with a partially or completely transparent top surface known as lip window, which allows light to enter the interior of the leaves for photosynthesis. Fifth, Indian pipe plant. Botanical name Monotop uniflora. Family Iriaceae. Location Udmurtia, Oceania, America. Monotropa uniflora, also known as ghost plant or ghost pipe. Indian pipe or corpus plant is an herbaceous perennial plant native to temperate regions of Udmurtia. in European, Russia, Asia, North America, and Northern South America. Unlike most plants, it is white and does not contain chlorophyll. Instead of generating energy from sunlight, it is parasitic, more specifically a mycoheterotroph. It hosts are certain fungi that are mycorrhizal with trees, meaning it ultimately gets its energy from photosynthetic trees. Since it is not dependent on sunlight to grow, it can grow in very dark environments, as in the understory of dense forest. It is often associated with beasties. The plant is sometimes completely waxy white, but often has black flakes or pale pink coloration. Thank you.